Trojan family, welcome to the 2022-23 school year. The science department has many different experiments planned for your students this year. However, we must make sure that we go over the science safety contract to ensure your students' safety. Students, please go to your Google Classroom and click on the science contract assignment. Click on the PDF form. And what you can do is open up the science contract with Kami on the far right-hand side. You can use the purple button. Now, if you don't see that button, you can also go here, open with, where it says annotate with Kami. Now, for some reason, you don't have either annotate with Kami or the purple button on the right-hand side. That could possibly mean that you were not in class on the day that we added the extension to your Google Chromebook. So please make sure that you connect with your teacher so that you can learn how to add that extension to your Google Chromebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up with Kami. Parents, please make sure that you read over the student safety contract with your student. And once you have come to an agreement about safety, then it's time for your student and you to sign the contract. Students, please go over to the text box and type your first and last name. On this line and type in today's date. And once you've done the typing, now it's ready. You're ready to add your signature. So what you can do to add your signature is go down to the bottom left-hand side at the very bottom icon here, which is signature. Click on that. Now there's two ways to add your signature. You can either use your mouse pad by clicking drawing signature, and you can actually draw in your signature this way. I'm going to try to do it here. Now, if for some reason you're like, I don't know how to draw and write in cursive, you can actually also print your signature, but you must include your first and last name. And once you're happy with that, you might want to add it right there. If you want your signature larger, you can do this, so it's a lot more visible. Now, another way to add the signature is by using your phone. So on right here, you can do draw signature on phone. And then what you're going to want to do is open up the camera on your iPhone or your Android and place the camera up against this QR code. Once you do that, the Kami app should appear. And from on your phone, you can use your finger to draw your signature. Now I just drew my signature, and then let me press save. And then it's automatically going to upload it to Kami. I'll press insert. Now, as you can see, the signature is in the wrong direction, so use a back arrow right here, and then you can also make your signature a little bit larger so that it is visible. Parents, please make sure that you answer these questions. Does your child wear contacts? Circle yes or no. Is your child colorblind? Yes or no. Does your child have any allergies? Yes or no. And then if so, please make sure that you list them. Once you have finished typing in your name and also the dates and then your both signatures, please make sure that you submit the contract. Now, the second thing that you're going to have to do is go back to Google Classroom. All right, go back to Google Classroom. And now the last thing is fill out the contact information. So you're going to click on the Google form contact information. From here, what I would like for you to do is choose which period you have science. So I'm going to press second period. Students, please make sure that you type in your first name, type in your last name. Parents, please make sure that you type in your first and last name. Now, parents, this is very important. Please make sure that you type in your email address. Also, type in your phone number. Once we have all that information, press submit. Let me clear the screen. Here's back. Okay. Now, students, in order for your class to win the Shaved Ice Party, both of these assignments must be turned in. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher.